Hey folks, Jonathan here. Picked up this tractor kit. Now this is a Model T with a Sears and Roebuck tractor kit. I can't remember what, Quality Farmer or something like that. They called it something. But anyway, so it's got the Model T rear end and the back there, and then it's got gears on it that run the bull gear, and everything was bolted on. It was a bolt-on kit you could buy. But what I'm trying to find out, what I can't figure out, because I'm not real into Model Ts or A's, but what transmission this is. It's got the enclosed drive shaft, but the thing's got a speedometer there. I don't know whether the Model T's had that or not. But it's definitely not a Model T transmission, and it's got a square drive, and I don't know if that's something that they ground down or if that was made that way. Finding an engine to put in it wouldn't be a problem, but figuring out what they've got here, I don't rightly know. I don't know. So I'm assuming that the oil pan would have still went into the ball, so it would have had a Model T. I'm just wondering if maybe the Model T transmission drove this and they used the clutch in the Model T transmission or on the engine. I don't know. Anyway, something may be missing, or they may have had a different engine in it or something, but if anybody can tell me anything or knows anything about that, just let me know. It's got the original Sears front wheels with the road bands, or the bands. I don't know if they wouldn't be road bands. They'd be steering bands or whatever. I think they're supposed to go to the inside, so it might be the wrong wheel on the wrong side, or, well, it wouldn't matter, would it? I might just put them on wrong on the, bolted them on wrong. As long as they work. See an added spring here. I don't remember seeing that on the Model Ts. And the framing that bolts on here, and you can see right there the frame on the tractor, or the Model T frame's broke. It's going to be welded. A couple places it's broke in half, and then this frame just bolts on. It's got U-bolts. Don't know if that's factory or not, but could be. Anyway, so pretty nice set of wheels on it, and got the cleats still on it. So it's worth putting a engine on of some sort. I just don't know what to put on there. I do have a radiator, got a grill shell, got a hood sides, and I do have a cowl I could put on it, make it look pretty neat. But anyway. All right, if you know anything about that transmission, let me know. Appreciate it. Bye.